Imagine you've just rung up a customer's order on TouchBistro, but then you realize you've made a mistake. Maybe you charged the wrong amount, or perhaps the customer wants to cancel their order altogether. What do you do? In this video, we're going to dive into the steps on how to void a payment on TouchBistro. Ever had that sinking feeling when you realize you've made a mistake in front of a customer? It's a stressful situation, but don't worry. With a few simple steps, you can quickly and efficiently void a payment on TouchBistro. Before we get into the how-to, let's quickly understand why voiding a payment might be necessary. There could be a variety of reasons, such as incorrect amount. You might have accidentally charged the customer too much or too little. Canceled order. The customer might have changed their mind and decided not to proceed with the purchase. Payment error. There could be an issue with the payment processing, requiring a void. Step-by-step guide. Locate the transaction. Open your TouchBistro POS system and navigate to the Transactions or Sales section. Use the search bar or filters to find the specific transaction you want to void. Access transaction details. Once you've found the transaction, tap or click on it to view its details. Void transaction option. Look for a button or option labeled Void, Cancel, or something similar. This option should be available if the transaction hasn't been settled or processed yet. Confirm void. TouchBistro might prompt you to confirm the void. This is to ensure you're making the right decision. Refund or credit. If the customer has already paid, you might need to issue a refund or credit. This process will vary depending on your payment processor and TouchBistro setup. Additional considerations. Time constraints. There might be time limits for voiding transactions. If you wait too long, you might not be able to void the payment. Payment status. The ability to void a transaction may depend on its current status. For example, if a payment has already been settled, it might be more difficult to void. Customer satisfaction. Always strive to provide excellent customer service. If a customer is unhappy with their purchase, be understanding and accommodating. Troubleshooting tips. If you're unable to find the void option, check if the transaction has already been settled or processed. Contact your TouchBistro support team for assistance. If you're having issues with refunds or credits, consult your payment processor's documentation or contact their support team. Voiding a payment on TouchBistro is a straightforward process that can help you resolve errors and keep your customers satisfied. By following these steps and keeping in mind the additional considerations, you can confidently handle any payment issues that may arise. Have you ever had to void a payment on TouchBistro? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment or contact TouchBistro support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, if you have any other TouchBistro questions or need help with other tasks, feel free to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.